Hey there, friends! Let me tell you a little secret. Breakfast has been my ultimate weapon on my journey to losing 18 kilos. That's about 40 pounds. And every single one of the recipes I share comes straight from that journey. Yesterday, I was ready to shake things up. You know how it is after making the same oatmeal pancakes again and again. I needed something new. So I decided to experiment with a protein pancake recipe. And let me tell you, it was a huge hit with the family. I didn't even get to eat many myself. My kids and husband devoured them. Here's what you'll need. 2 small pears, peeled and deseeded. Here, I've got exactly 95 grams. If you don't have pears, apples should work just as well. Want me to try it with apples or other fruits? Leave a plus in the comments and I'll give it a go. Next, 2 medium eggs. 4 tablespoons of whole grain oats. You can swap this out for any whole wheat flour if that's your preference. But personally, I love sneaking oats into my kids' meals. Oats in disguise. 2 tablespoons of protein powder. Vanilla flavor is perfect for this recipe. 1 tablespoon of sweetener. Optional since protein powders are already sweet, but I felt like being a little extra that day. And of course a pinch of baking powder for that fluffy texture. Now here's the fun part. Just toss everything into a blender. That's it. No separate bowls, no messy counters, no extra dishes to do. Blend it until you have a smooth, creamy batter. For cooking, I used a small amount of ghee butter on a frying pan over low heat. These pancakes were sweet enough that we didn't even need any syrup. That's right, no syrup. In my family, we love these pancakes with Greek yogurt or sour cream. Keep an eye on the kids though, or they'll pile so much sour cream on their pancakes that it will look like they're putting pancakes on their sour cream instead. But honestly, these are so good they don't even need anything extra. They're amazing all on their own. Quick tip! Let the batter rest for a few minutes before frying, and you'll see the magic happen. They'll rise beautifully and turn out as fluffy as these. And there you have it, protein pancakes that are healthy, delicious and family approved. These are perfect for breakfast, brunch or even a post-workout snack. If you want more quick and easy recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.